Students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. On last day, we have learned shutting down a computer, operating a computer. Subtopics are starting a computer, parts of the desktop, and shutting down a computer. Okay, let's revise one time again. Firstly, we have to know that is computer, operating a computer. A computer is an electronic machine. You know that beta, and a computer is an electronic machine, but it is not switched on and off like any another electronic machine. But it can't be switched off or switched on like any another electronic machine. There is a proper method to turn a computer on and off, and there is a proper method to turn a computer on and off. Okay, so let's starting a computer. How we can start a computer? Starting a computer, follow the steps to start a computer. You have to follow some rules to start a computer. In step first, you have to switch on the power supply button. Step first is switch on the power supply button. Step 2 is turn on the uninterrupted power supply, that is UPS. Step 3, press the power button on the CPU box. Step 4, switch on the monitor. Okay, let's revise again. First step, you have to switch on the power supply button. In step second, you have to turn on the uninterrupted power supply, that means UPS. Okay, in step third, you have to press the power button on the CPU box, and step 4, you have to switch on the monitor. Okay, you can see here that a picture is also given. In first, the boy is switching on the power supply button, and after that is turning on the uninterrupted power supply, that is UPS. And step 3, the boy is pressing the power button on the CPU box. Okay, and step 4, the boy is switching on the monitor. And when you will your process of starting a computer will be done, a screen appears on the monitor. This is screen called a desktop. When your process of starting a computer, that is booting, will be done, a screen appears on the monitor, and this screen is called a desktop. And this screen that appears on the screen, the screen that appears on the monitor is called desktop. It indicates that a computer is ready to use, and the screen desktop indicates that a computer is ready to use. It indicates that your computer is ready to use. Okay, in desktop you can see icons, start button, and taskbar. Okay, icons and taskbar are the parts of the desktop, and start button is a function of desktop. Okay, I will tell you what is icons, taskbar, and start button. Okay, and after that there is an info box. The process of starting of a computer. When you start a computer, the process of starting a computer is known as booting. The process of starting a computer is known as booting. That means when you start a computer, that you should follow the some proper method. Okay, and this process is called booting, and the process of turning off a computer is called shutting down. And when you will turn off the computer from some proper method, then method is called shutting down. Okay, parts of the desktop. There are some parts of the desktop that are icons and taskbar. What are icons? Icons are small pictures. These are small pictures that present on the desktop. In other words, you can say that the icons are the small pictures or symbols that present on the desktop. Okay, and next one is taskbar. The long bar present at the bottom of desktop is known as taskbar. The longest bar present at the bottom of desktop, that means on the bottom of desktop a long bar is presented, that is called taskbar. This bar contains many icons, and this bar contains many icons. Icons are small picture or symbols. Okay. In other words, you can say that taskbar is a horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. That is, taskbar is a horizontal, means longest bar present at the bottom of the desktop. Okay, it's called as taskbar. And what is start button? Do you know what is start button? The start button is used to open any program on the computer. If you want to open any program on the computer, then you have to click on the start button. Okay, so start button is used to open any program on the computer, and that is presented on left side of corner of the desktop. Okay, and now how you can shutting down a computer? How we can shut down a computer? We know that computer is an electronic machine, but it is not switched on or off like any another electronic machine. So there is a proper method to turn off a computer. Okay, that is shutting down a computer. Turning up a computer directly from the main power button. If you shut down a computer, if you turning off a computer directly from the main power supply, it can harm it. Okay, so therefore you must always follow the proper method. So you have to follow some proper method that are given to shut down a computer. Turning off a computer, when you will turn off a computer directly from the main power supply, then it can harm it. Therefore you must follow some proper method to shut down a computer. That you have to follow some method, some process to shut down a computer. Okay. In step first, you have to click on the start button. In step first, you have to click on the start button. In step 2, you have to power button appears, click on it. The power button appears, click on it. When you will click on start button, the power button appears, you have to click on it. Then after step 3, click on shut down, wait till the CPU switch off. And after that you have to click on shut down, and until the CPU switched off you have to wait. And step 4, you have to switch off the monitor. And step 5, turn off the UPS. Step 6, switch off the power supply button. And in last step you have to switch off the power supply button. Let's revise one time. Step first, click the start button. Step 2, the power button appears. When you will click on start button, the power button will be appeared. You have to click on it. Step 3, click on shut down, and after that you have to click on shut down, and you have to wait until the CPU switched off. In step 4, you have to switch off the monitor. Step 5, turn off the UPS. Step 6, you have to switch off the power supply button. Okay. To keep the UPS charged, the main power supply button is generally kept on. To keep the UPS charged, if you want to keep the UPS charged, you have to kept main power supply button on. Okay. Info box. Typewriter is the longest word that you can write using only the keys on the top row of a standard keyboard. Typewriter is the longest word that you can write it from using top rows of keys. That means first row of key in a standard keyboard. Let's solve some questions. You have to write T for true and F for false. Okay. The first is, the process of starting a computer is called booting. Is it true or false? You know that beta, that the process of starting a computer is known as booting. Okay, so that will be true. Okay. Second one is, the taskbar is present at the bottom of the desktop, and you know that taskbar present at the bottom of the desktop is known as taskbar. This bar contains many icons, so that this will be true. Okay, the taskbar is present at the bottom of the desktop, that will be true. Third, you can directly switch off the main power supply button to shut down a computer. No, you can't directly switch off the main power supply button, because it can harm it. Turning off a computer directly from the main power button can harm it. Okay, so there will be false. Fourth is the start button is present at the right corner of the desktop. Fourth is the start button is present at the right corner of the taskbar. That is also false, because the start button is present at the left corner of the taskbar. Okay, because the start button is present at the left corner of the taskbar. And now let's revise one time. True, false? That is, the process of starting a computer is called booting. Yes, because the process of starting a computer is known as booting, so there will be true. The taskbar is present at the bottom of the desktop. Yeah, the long bar present at the bottom of the desktop is known as taskbar, so there will be true also. In third, you can directly switch off the main power supply button to shut down a computer. False, because turning off a computer directly from the main power button can harm it. Fourth, the start button is present at the right corner of the taskbar. False, because the start button is present at the left corner of the taskbar. Now, question number D. Answer the following question. What do you understand by shutting down a computer? What do you understand by shutting down a computer? Do you know what is shutting down a computer? Yeah, the process of turning off a computer. The process of turning off a computer is known as shutting down. In other words, you can say that the process of turning off a computer is called shutting down. Okay, when you turn off the computer from some proper method, that process is called shutting down. So the process of turning off a computer is called shutting down. Next question is, list the part of desktop. List the parts of the desktop. The desktop has two parts, which are following. First is icons. These are small pictures present on the desktop. Icons, these are small pictures present on the desktop. Taskbar, second is taskbar, the long bar present at the bottom of desktop. The long bar present at the bottom of the desktop. Okay. Now question number third is, what is the role of UPS in turning a computer on or off? An UPS is a device that allows the computer to keep running for at least a short time. Okay. A UPS is a device that allows a computer to keep running for at least a short time. Let's revise all question again. That is, first question, what do you understand by shutting down a computer? The process of turning off a computer is called shutting down. Second one is, list the parts of desktop. First is icons. These are small pictures present on the desktop. Second one is taskbar, the long bar present at the bottom of desktop. Third is, what is the role of UPS in turning a computer on or off? And UPS is a device that allows a computer to keep running for at least a short time. And UPS is a device that allows a computer to keep running for at least a short time. Okay. So next one is, you can see here that next one is Awaaz activity zone. Awaaz activity zone. So what you have to do? You have to number the step of switching on a computer in correct order. Okay. You have to write a number in the boxes. Okay, for switching on a computer. You know that when you will switch on the computer, you have to switch on the power supply button first. Okay, so the boy in which picture is switching on the power supply button, that will be step 1. And second step is turn on the uninterrupted power supply UPS. So the boy in which picture, the boy is switching on the uninterrupted power supply, that will be second step. And third step is press the power button on the CPU box. And in which picture the boy is switching on the power button on the CPU box, that will be third step. And at last you have to switch on the monitor, then the boy is switching on the monitor, that will be fourth step. Okay. So next one is identify the picture and label its parts. You can see here that given is a picture. This is a what is called? This is a screen. Okay, desktop screen. What is this? This is desktop screen. And in right corner, what is this? What is this in left corner? Sorry. What is this in left corner? There is start button. Okay, and a taskbar. First one is start button and second one is taskbar. Okay, so there is a desktop screen. Now you have to write exercise A, B, C, D in your CW copy of chapter 3. Okay, thank you.